going on, everyone? We got a 2021 Mazda 3. Today we're going to replace the remote battery. All right, so to replace this battery in this thing, we're going to have to open it up. And if you look, there's two sides. There's a side with the Mazda, and there's a side with no Mazda. All right, so the side with the Mazda sign, this panel here, we're just going to pop that up. Now, sometimes you can use your fingernail. Okay, so I got my fingernail underneath it on this side here. It's actually the bottom of it. And you can pull this panel up. Sometimes you have to use a flathead screwdriver to just crack it open, okay? It just cracks right open, okay? Now, you might be wondering what this little switch is at the bottom, what that does and what that opens up. That opens the side without the emblem on it, okay? And there's a spare key in here, okay? They have that on there so it doesn't open and your key doesn't fall out, okay? So this is actually locked on. Now, the side with the battery, we're gonna need a flathead screwdriver to pry this little cover off. All right, so we get in here like that, pry it off, and then pull it out. Okay, and here's our battery. Same thing with the flathead screwdriver. There's a little slot right here. Push it in this slot and work our battery out. Now I'm gonna get a new battery and I'm gonna show you what size it is. And here's our new battery. It's gonna be a Panasonic battery. It's a CR2032. That's the size. I'm gonna have the size and a link down in the description box. If you need to get a battery, you can just check that out. But our positive sign here is facing out towards us. And you notice that on the bottom of the remote, there's this little, like, I guess a keeper, I guess. And we're gonna slide the battery in like that, and that keeps it. Go like that, and then we get our little plastic cover, and it goes back on, slides in the bottom first, and then clicks on. You hear it all click and everything like that, and you just get the cover, snap it back on, it just snaps on. There's only one way this will go since it has this like foot hanging off of it. Okay, you hear it click and pop, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.